How to macro in Fisch Roblox. To effectively set up a macro in Roblox game Fish, follow these detailed steps which I'm going to show you, which includes using auto hotkeys for automation. Now this guide is suitable for both beginners as those looking to enhance their gameplay. First thing, you have to just download this auto hotkeys here. Now you have to just go to Google, right? And once you go to the Google here, you have to search for auto hotkeys, right? And just you will get this option of auto hotkey here, right? It will just load for a few seconds and then you will able to download this softwares, right? Now here you have to just go and click on download here, right? As you can see here, the ultimate automation scripting language for Windows. Now you can see here, I will just download this latest version, which is V2. Now once it get download, you have to run this setup. So actually we are downloading this setup here. So I will just, once it get done, click on it and it will get accessed here. Just wait for a few seconds, automatically it will come up on your screen. Now select the destination file and click on just install. Right, now once the auto hotkey has been installed, right, you have to use a sample script. Let me show you the sample script here. So this is it. Now you can pause this video and make sure you copy this up because this script will, simulate pressing the W key every second. Now adjust the sleep value to change the interval if you want to. Right now here the first thing, now next thing you have to do, that is a configure Roblox and Fish here. Open Roblox and enter Fish, right? So you have to just go and click on play and Roblox is now loading. So usually if you make sure that Game Studio is downloaded, right, Roblox Studio is downloaded, and then only the game will come up on the screen. Ensure your navigation key binding in Fish matches what your microscript uses. For example, if your script uses W for a forward movement, make sure W is bound to the action in game. Double click your AHK script file to start it. Enter Fish and observe how this micro perform this specific action. You may need to tweak the timings or command based on your gameplay experience. This is how you can do so. Thanks for watching.